In this video, we'll see how to find a particular word in Adobe InDesign and format it to a different style in a single click. I have 3 paragraphs of content about planet Mars. Now I would like to change the word Mars to a different style. So how do we do that? Edit menu, find change, and now find what? Mars. Now leave change to and find format options blank and come to change format tab. Click this icon. Now in this panel, I'm changing the font and color. Basic character formats, I'm choosing a different font. And character color, I'm giving a different color. Now clicking OK. Now change all. You can see 7 replacements made. Wherever the keyword appears, InDesign has tracked them all and changed it to the new format we applied. Now we have some figures, values in this document. I would like to format them into a different style. Go to edit menu, find change again. Now leave this space empty. Click this icon, wildcards, any digit. I would like to give a different color, so I'm clicking this icon again. Now character color, I'm giving green. OK, change all. Now InDesign says search is completed, 21 replacements made. OK. Now we can see the style of all the numbers available in this document has been changed to the new format we gave.